We just arrived in the Hunza Valley, getting settled into our guest house now. It's pretty cold up here, but we got the fire lit. Got some coffees, ordered some soup, some food. That's the view outside the window. So now we're going to rent a 4x4 and drive up into the mountains and hopefully get some really cool footage. Lake Attabad, here we are. Right, so now we're heading up to a place called the Eagle's Nest. It's overlooking the mountains here. They say this is the best place to go during summer, but in winter, hey, it's not too shabby either.